Hey guys, in this video about an hour and a half ago I did the glitter. I put epoxy and then I sprinkled glitter. So I'm doing a flood coat now, which you can do about an hour and a half later after you put your glitter on. After you put your first coat of glitter, you can do the second coat of epoxy. You want to heat your epoxy up a little with the heat gun. This will keep you from having fish eyes, bubbles. It seals in the glitter, and it's done an hour and a half later after you do the first coat. You do a coat of epoxy. I did 10 millimeters, 5 of each. And then I put the glitter on the epoxy, and now I'm doing a flood coat of epoxy. It's going to go over the top. It gives you a smoother surface. You don't have to sand. Right now I'm taking the bubbles out of my epoxy with my heat gun. And you want to heat your epoxy back up. Make sure it's warm, not too hot, and don't get too close. Then you just pour your epoxy on, and it's called flood coat because you want to just cover the glitter, so you're not going to have a whole bunch of surface to have to sand. It's going to come out smooth. I'll show you the other one I did earlier. I did the other one last night, and I did it like this, and it came out perfect. It's no sanding at all. You do want to take some of your glitter off. It looks like I'm getting a lot of glitter, but you can brush it off. I did brush it, but I guess I had too much on there. But that's okay. It's just going to be a coat so you can put your decals on, and you're not going to have to sand. You put it on. Make sure you're getting it all covered. I got these little silicone bowls on Amazon. They work good because you just, once the epoxy dries, you can scrape it out. So this is called the flood coat. You put it on top of your first glitter coat that you did epoxy. And it's only an hour after you do your first coat. I'm going to change these gloves because they're big and they're full of stuff. Are these mediums? So large. You want to let it turn to find a good level. Let me switch your gloves. Those other ones were too big for me. So you just get your epoxy on really good and even. Make sure all your spots are covered. Don't be afraid to move it around if you feel like it needs some in certain areas. You don't want it puddling. You want it just to go evenly on. And this is going to give you a nice smooth coat. You're going to let it spin for 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours. The first glitter coat spun for 1 hour and a half, and then I did a second coat of epoxy over the first coat. Yeah, the glitter is a little wet still, but it's okay. And I hold my finger with the tissue on the rim of the wine glass or the cup, tumbler, whatever I'm working on, and I get the epoxy off. You can wait. It will come off after when it's dried. I just like doing this. I think it's quicker and easier, but you could still cut it off with the knife pretty easy. So now we're just going to let it turn. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting lots of different videos on. Thank you.